Hi everybody, welcome back to online course in spoken English. Are you in a good mood to listen to me today? You're wondering, right? You're wondering why this man is asking this question today. I'm asking this question today because we started with modals that express moods in the last session, and we shall continue with the same session today, with the same topic today. Here we start today's topic, that is common errors in the use of modals. Using a full infinitive, that is 2 plus V1 after a modal auxiliary. See, we use modal auxiliary and we use 2 plus V1, verb 1. Here is an example. I must to write an article within this month. That is okay, and that sounds good. I must to write. So never ever use 2 plus V1. Okay, don't use full infinitive after the modal auxiliary. Okay, no need to use infinitive. And then there is one more example. They can to speak English. No, it's wrong. They can speak English. 2 plus infinitive after the modals. So modals are never followed by full infinitives, 2 plus infinitives. Okay, and then use only base form. I must write. He should come. Okay, only use base form. And then using a gerund. That is gerund, you know, verb plus ing, v1 plus ing, go plus ing going, eat plus ing eating, walk plus ing walking. These are all gerunds, and you should not use gerunds after the modal auxiliaries. And here are the two examples. I would helping you. It's wrong. I would help you. She might coming tomorrow. It's wrong. She might come tomorrow. So we have to use the base form after the modal auxiliary, and no need to use the gerund. It is not acceptable. It is not acceptable, right? And then using two modals in a row, continuously using two modals is not practiced in English. It is against the usage of modals in English, right? Here is an example. I must can complete my work today. No, you can say I can complete my work today, or you can say I must complete my work today. In I must complete my work today, it is an obligation. I can complete my work today, it can be possibility or ability. Okay, it can be possibility or ability. So, but you can't use both the modals together. You can use either I can complete my work today, or you can use I must complete my work today. You cannot use two modals together. Okay, and then so these are some of the errors. You keep using these modals in your day-to-day life, and as you get hold of them, as you get grip of them, you won't commit mistakes. Now we shall take up these modal verbs for discussion one by one, and the first modal that I am taking up for discussion is can. So can is mostly used for ability. Either it may be a physical ability, mental ability, or emotional ability, right? She can speak English. It is her intellectual ability or mental ability. Okay, she can speak English. She has the ability to speak English. She can't speak German. She doesn't have the ability to speak German, but she has the ability to speak English. I can lift this table. This is physical, right? I can lift this table. I have the strength, I have the energy to lift this table, but I can't lift that stool. This table, I have the ability, I have capability, I have physical strength to lift this chair, lift this table. Then they can perform well in the test. They can perform well, it's their mental ability. They can perform well in the test, right? So these are the sentences which use the modal auxiliary can, and here it is used to refer to the physical, mental or emotional ability of the person. Okay, and then permission. For permission also can is used. Can I use your phone? So I have forgotten to bring my phone. Can I use your phone? The person is taking the permission of the other person to use his phone. Can I sit here? So there is a space beside a person in the park, and I am going and asking him, can I sit here? I am taking his permission to sit beside him. And then, can you lend me your book? I don't have my book right now. Can you lend me your book so that I can read the book and I can make notes? So I am seeking the permission of the person, right? So as you know, I have already made it very clear in the last class itself that one modal auxiliary can have different functions, right? So first one was ability, second one is permission, now possibility. For possibility also can is used. Here you can see working on this gadget can be dangerous. So don't work on this gadget, it can be dangerous. you may get electrocuted. You may receive shock here, electric shock. So don't work on this gadget. He can come here tonight. He was away from home for almost a month and he can come tonight. There is a possibility of his coming home tonight. Can it be true? He is speaking all unbelievable things. Can it be true? Okay, so there is, and the person is very eager to know whether this can be possible. So he is doubtful of the possibility of truthfulness of his words. So possibility, and then can is also used to make an offer, right? Be relaxed. I can give you the money to pay the fees. Don't get tense. You don't have money, right? No worries. You be relaxed. I can give you the money to pay the fees. And then I can help you in this crisis. Don't lose your heart. Don't lose confidence. Right? Don't feel that you are alone. I can help you in this crisis. The person is making an offer of helping the other person. And here he is ready to offer money in the first sentence. In the second sentence, he says that I can help you. So he is offering help. So these are all the uses of can, right? So what are the functions of can? First one is ability. Second one is permission. Third one is possibility. And then offer. Right? These are the different functions for which modal auxiliary can is used. Okay, and there is a related modal auxiliary, that is could. Right? Where is could used? We shall start discussing here. Could is used. See, can is used for ability, present ability. Could is used for past ability. The ability that is no longer with me now. That ability, it is not possible for me to do things as I was doing in the past. Okay, it is very clear from the examples here. I could swim when I was a small boy. Now I cannot swim. It is my past ability. When I was a small boy, I could swim very well. Now it is not possible for me. It is my past ability. Swimming is my past ability, and now I cannot swim now. That ability is not with me. That ability has gone now. And then he could jog fast when he was in Delhi. When he was in Delhi and he was very young and energetic and he could jog fast. Now he cannot jog. Okay, he has put on a lot of weight. He has become a little fatter. And he cannot jog fast. The jogging was the past ability of the person, right? He can no longer jog as fast as he could when he was in Delhi. Now, she could keep awake till late night during her college days. Now, the reference is made to her college days. Now, she might not be in college. She might have got married, and she might have had children, and she might have had the responsibilities of the family. Right. So, she could keep awake. It was her past ability to keep awake during her college days. Now, she cannot keep awake. And then could is used to take permission. But when compared to can, could makes permission more polite. And if at all you want to sound very polite in seeking permission of the other people, use could. So could I use your cell phone? There we ask you, can I use your phone? Now could I use your cell phone? You are being more humble and more polite in asking this. And then could I call you after some time? So if the person calls you and you are busy doing something and you politely refuse and you say, could I call you after some time? Now you seem to be very busy, you are taking the permission and you are very polite in taking. Could she go out now? Could she go out now? She has been waiting here for a long time. Could she go out now? Is her work done? So it's seeking a polite permission. And then possibility also. In case of possibility, when you used can, there was possibility. Now here is also possibility, but the probability is less here. Okay, don't worry, I could stand by you. He could arrive anytime. So possibility, he could arrive anytime. We don't know the exact time when he arrives, but he could arrive anytime. Smita could meet me today. It is possible that she might meet me today. Thomas could agree to the proposal. It is possible that Thomas might say okay to the proposal. So possibility, to make possibility, could is used here. And then polite offer. There also in can also we discussed offer, but offer is more polite, and the person is a little bit hesitant to make the offer, right? Don't worry, I could stand by you. It is present. Don't get confused that it's a past offer. It's a present offer, but the person is being more polite. Don't worry, I could stand by you. She was very generous. She could lend her laptop when I badly needed it. It is past. See, in the first sentence, don't worry. He is saying now, don't worry, I could stand by. In the second sentence, she was very generous. She could lend her laptop when I badly needed it. Past offer, polite offer. It was a polite offer made in the past, not in the present. She was so generous. She did not think of the consequences. She was ready to give me her laptop. Okay. Then polite request. We can make polite request also. Polite request can be made with could. Okay. Could can be used to make polite request. Could you please accompany me? Request. It's a request, but very polite. Could you please accompany me? Could you please come with me? I am alone. And then, could you move a bit, please? You're sitting here. Could you move a bit so that I can also be seated here? And then, could you pass me the salt? The salt is on the next table, and the person who is sitting there, and I am making a request to him, and I am politely asking him, could you pass me the salt? This it is used to make polite request. And could have. Okay, could have is another usage to make guesses about past. It is over and we can make guesses about past. It's already 12 am. The function could have ended by now. It's 12 am already. Function could have ended by now. It could have ended and guests might have gone now. So this is the time that the function could have ended. And then she is 17 now. She could have passed her matriculation. So I am making a past guess. Okay, guesses about past. She is 17 now, and a person attaining the age of 16 would complete matriculation, right? She is 17 now. She could have passed her matriculation. She could have already passed her matriculation. It's a guess about the past. Ragini could have already left Mysore. She could have left Mysore by this time. It's already 10 p.m. and the bus is at 9 p.m. She could have already left Mysore. Okay, this is about could, right? We could understand how can and could, though they function at the same level. They are used to express the same feelings, emotions, but there is a difference in degree. Okay, can and could. We could discuss two models in today's session, and we shall take up other models for discussion in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.